friends, welcome to our German language course. German, known as Deutsch, is a member of the Western group of the Germanic languages. It is spoken primarily in Germany, Austria and major part of Switzerland. German is the third most popular foreign language taught worldwide and the second most popular in Europe. But why learn German? Learning a new language can change your life. Learning a new language provides you with immense global opportunities. Learning a new language opens up your mind, improves memory. It is scientifically proven. German has the largest number of native speakers in the European Union, far more than English, Spanish or French. German is among the 10 most commonly spoken languages in the world. It is also rapidly becoming the lingua franca of Central and Eastern Europe. German is the second most commonly used scientific language in the world. Many of the Western world's most important works of philosophy, literature, music, art, history, theology, psychology, chemistry, physics, engineering and medicine are written in German and continue to be produced in German. 22 Nobel Prizes in physics, 13 in chemistry, 25 in medicine have gone to the scientists from the three major German-speaking countries, while many laureates from other countries received their training in German universities. 11 Nobel Prizes in literature have been awarded to German language writers and 7 Germans and Austrians have received the Peace Prize. Germans are world leaders in engineering. 18% of the world's books are published in German. Germany is the world's largest exporter. Germany's gross domestic product is the world's third largest. Germany is the home to numerous international corporations. Direct investment by Germany in the United States is over $10 billion. University fees in Germany are around 500 euros per semester. So, welcome to the beginner level 1 German. This level is aimed at students just beginning to learn to speak or read German. In this beginner level German, we will introduce the basics of the German language. Therefore, the vocabulary is formatted or translated from English to German or German to English. German and English. Now let's have a comparison between these two languages. German and English are quite close to each other and are called the language sisters, or more formally the cognate languages. Here are some major similarities. Both the languages have the Latin alphabets. Normally, sentences follow subject, verb, object order. Questions have verb, subject, object order, or adverb, verb, subject, object order. There are contractions in both German as well as English. For example, etc. is called as und so weiter. So we use etc or usw. Many words share the same roots such as word and what, or house and house. Many words are spelled almost the same way in English and German. For example, text, so, Handball, Motor, Bus, Park, Position or garage. The words which I have pronounced now are in the German. As you can see, German is quite similar to English. There are, however, differences. German has more letters than English and different pronunciations from English. In German, the verb is sometimes the last word of a sentence. German has more verb forms than English. German is the only known written language where every noun is capitalized, whether or not it is a proper noun. The word ich is only capitalized if it is in the first word of the sentence. German has 3 different words for you. Adjectives have different endings based on the noun they are modifying in German. German does not have present continuous tense, only present tense. However, German is still one of the easiest languages for English speakers to learn. The differences will be tackled over through the course of the sessions. So, let's begin.